Welcome to Brookmead Trail, a Toll Brothers community located in Cumming, Georgia. Today we are touring the Rylan floor plan. This luxury new construction model home was built in 2021. It features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and 4,400 square feet of living space. This home is currently listed for sale for $1,448,995. If you'd like more details about this home or community, you can contact me using the information listed below. Let's step inside and take a tour. If you're enjoying the tour so far, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. We tour luxury new construction homes in Metro Atlanta every week. If this is your first time tuning into our channel, my name is Christian. I'm an agent based in Metro Atlanta. If you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you're considering buying or selling a home here in the Metro Atlanta area, reach out to us using the contact information listed below. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home here in the Metro Atlanta area, give us a call, send us a text, or shoot us an email to see how we can help you make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for an upcoming video where we'll tour one of the most amazing homes in the state of Georgia. I can't wait to show it to you. In the meantime, check out this playlist to see the amazing homes we've toured so far. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.